Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two really tall and comfortable, more than anything, comfortable set of two bar stools that we get for our house. What I like about this one is number one, that they swivel, as you can see over here. You can't modify the height on this one, but if you have something as tall as my kitchen countertop, which is a 42 inches tall, you may need something really tall like this one. These are 29 inches. I'm going to show them to you in a close up in a few seconds, but these are 29 inches tall. So we needed something taller than 26 or 27. So having this one, they're 29, is perfect for us because you can see that I can sit perfectly comfortably here, and that wouldn't happen with something like smaller. And this right here is the instruction manual. I mean, you're not gonna need too much of this one because this thing comes almost assembled. You're gonna just put the legs, and that's pretty much it. And it's gonna take you about, like, I want to say 10 minutes in between each one of these ones. So probably in between 8 to 10 minutes to each one. So just spare some 20-25 minute stops, and that's gonna be it. A few things that I like about these two, let me show them to you in a close-up. So number one, as I was telling you before, that they swivel perfectly, super smooth actually. So they swivel pretty nice. The high density foam over here, it is super firm, really firm. But this actually intended because they support 400 pounds, so they gotta be firm for sure. So this is a really comfy one, and it's a little bit more kind of like cushion right here on the edges. But this part over here is the best part. This is gonna give you a really nice support over here when you're sitting. It is kind of like a combed, of course. You can see that it has a really nice curve over here, but it gives this really nice support when you're sitting, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for something like this. And of course, super stylish right here with this metal kind of like decorations over here. And of course, the stitches. This looks fantastic. They're pretty wide on the bottom part, as you can see over here, but having this, just like the footrest, I think is also another good thing because you're not gonna be able to touch the floor, of course, unless you're super mega tall. But having the footrest, it's a really nice thing as well. So huge recommendation on this one. If you're looking for something really tall, like a really tall bar stools, these are a must have, I think. So we really like it. That's my cat just smiling wherever she is. So I like them, super stylish, 400 pounds, super easy assemble, and of course, modern, but also they look and feel fantastic.